Secret to perfect pronunciation? 15 men's of news daily? Thousands are hooked. You next? Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever feel completely overwhelmed by the vast world of English, with all its big, intimidating words, complicated grammar rules that twist your tongue, and fast-speaking native speakers who seem to zip through sentences like it's nothing, making you think it's way too hard to even dip your toe in, leaving you silent and sidelined when you really want to join the conversation and share your thoughts? Like you're at a lively party with friends or on an important phone call with family overseas, wanting to express a simple idea about your day or ask a basic question, but your brain starts scrambling for fancy phrases or perfect structures, and you end up saying absolutely nothing at all, feeling deeply frustrated, isolated, and left out of the fun. Maybe you've dreamed vividly of using easy, everyday English to chat casually about your favorite food, ask for directions on a trip, or order a meal at a restaurant without any stress or second guessing. But without knowing exactly where or how to begin, it feels like a massive mountain too high and steep to climb, turning what could be an exciting learning adventure into a distant, dusty wish instead of joyful daily fun. Perhaps you've tried popular apps, online courses, or thick books crammed full of advanced lessons and exercises that jump straight into complex topics, only to quit after a short while because it doesn't match your beginner level at all, making your progress feel painfully slow, discouraging, and like you're not cut out for it. If you're nodding along right now, feeling that familiar mix of eagerness to learn and connect, mixed with genuine worry about the complexity and where to start, this episode is made just for you, kept straightforward, welcoming, and free of jargon. Today, we're diving into something basic, encouraging, and absolutely game-changing. Something that can make English feel like a friendly companion rather than a daunting challenge from day one. We're talking about simple English. We'll cover this gently and thoroughly with uplifting real-life stories to inspire you, easy-to-follow examples, common beginner hurdles to watch for, thoughtful reflections, and step-by-step advice to get you speaking simply and confidently, turning those very first words into a strong, reliable foundation right away, so you can enjoy English without the overwhelm, building skills at your own comfortable pace. My friend, let me be straight with you from the start, speaking like an old pal who's been there and wants to share helpful tips over a relaxed chat. Simple English isn't about dumbing down the language or avoiding any growth along the way. It's about starting right where you are with clear, easy words and short sentences that get your main point across without any unnecessary extras, building your skills steadily like stacking colorful blocks one by one until you have a sturdy tower. It's not about burying yourself in piles of confusing grammar rules that end up puzzling you more than they help. It's not about chasing after a fancy, impressive vocabulary full of rare words that you might rarely ever use in real life. It's not even about trying to sound exactly like everyone else around you. That's not needed, authentic, or even fun for most people. No, at its heart, it's about using basic, everyday language to connect with others, share your ideas simply, and understand what's being said without strain, making English a practical tool for your real daily life, rather than a distant skill. Because when you master simple English as your starting point, wonderful things begin to happen. Conversations start flowing more easily without awkward pauses, misunderstandings drop way down because clarity rules, and your confidence starts to grow naturally, paving the way for more advanced stuff when you're ready and excited for it. Think about it deeply for a moment, letting the picture form in your mind. Imagine yourself saying something as straightforward as, "Hi, how are you today?" with a genuine smile, getting a warm, friendly reply that sparks a real exchange. You can learn the tougher parts, like idioms or tenses, later on when your base feels solid. You can add creative flair and variety another time as you gain comfort. You can explore deep, thoughtful topics when you've built up your momentum. But without simple English as your strong, reliable base, if you jump straight into the hard, complicated stuff or give up too early because it all seems too much, you miss out on the pure joy of those basic wins that make learning addictive. You can't build a cozy house without first laying down a solid, even floor to stand on. Every simple sentence you practice and use now is like adding a sturdy brick that makes your English strong, useful, practical, and truly yours, tailored to how you think and live. Now, I'm not here to throw big, scary lessons, timed quizzes, or overwhelming tests at you that might make you want to run the other way. I promise. This is all about easy, manageable steps and kind, patient encouragement to keep you motivated. I just want you to see something key and powerfully true that can change how you approach English. Simple English is the wide open door to all of English learning, much like learning to walk steadily before you try running or jumping, and absolutely anyone can do it with small, consistent daily tries that fit into your life without hassle. Every single day in your routine gives you plenty of chances to use simple English, like saying a quick hello to a neighbor as you pass by, reading a short street sign or label on a product, or sending a basic text message to a friend or family member. What you do with those everyday chances, whether you bravely try out a few easy words or stay quiet out of habit or fear, shapes your skills bit by bit, boosts your comfort level over time, and deepens your love for the language as you see real results. If you keep thinking that English must always be complex, full of twists, or advanced to be worthwhile and good, then, my friend, you're not just slowing down your own progress unnecessarily. You're missing out on the sheer joy of clear, straightforward talks where everyone understands each other, the ease and relief of being heard and understood without confusion, and the growing pride that comes from starting small and watching yourself improve day by day.
But here's the fun, uplifting part, the bright spark that makes it all feel simple, achievable, and exciting from the get-go. You can begin embracing and using simple English right now, today, this very minute, without needing expensive books, formal classes, or special gadgets. Just your own words, a dash of curiosity, and a bit of open heart. You don't have to wait for the perfect time or feel fully prepared. It's all about jumping in gently. And I'll show you how, nice and slow, holding your hand through it. I'll share easy, beginner-friendly ways that have helped me personally, and many other starters incorporate simple English into every day, making it a natural habit. These aren't hard, confusing tricks or secrets only experts know. These are basic, straightforward tools you can try right now, whether you're at home relaxing, out running errands, or anywhere in between. Before we start exploring these tools in more detail, let me tell a quick but heartfelt tale to show you that real change is possible and closer than you think. A few months ago, I met a student named Lena through an online beginner group. She came to me looking shy and unsure, her voice soft as she shared her struggles. She said, "I want to use English for everyday things like shopping or talking to my kids' teachers, but it all seems too hard. I don't know many words and I get stuck." I asked her gently to understand better. "Lena, what happened the last time you tried using English in a real situation?" She thought back and replied, "I was at the store and wanted to ask for milk, but my mind went blank. I couldn't think of simple words, so I said nothing and just pointed. It felt silly." I probed a little more. "How long have you felt this way, wanting to speak but holding back?" She said softly, looking away, "A long time, maybe years now. I avoid places where I might need English." Then I asked the question that often opens eyes. "Did staying quiet help you feel better or learn more?" She shook her head with a small sigh. "No," she said honestly. "It just made me feel sad and like I'm missing out." My friend, this isn't just Lena's tale. It's the common experience for so many starters around the world, young and old alike. We think simple English isn't enough or impressive, but it absolutely is. It's the starting line for everything. We let fear of sounding basic or making small mistakes stop us cold, constantly comparing ourselves to experts or natives who make it look effortless, skipping over easy practice because we think it won't count. We fill our days with avoidance instead of gentle tries, and before we know it, that hesitation turns into a wall. But simple English is your best friend. It's forgiving, effective, and the key to breaking through. So how exactly can you start using simple English in your life? Let me share not just 9, but 10 easy ideas with you today. 10 straightforward steps packed with samples, variations, and little exercises that can make it all yours if you try them one at a time, letting each build your comfort. We'll go through them slowly and with care, including real-life ways to apply them so you can absorb, imagine, and begin without any pressure. First, start with everyday hellos and basics. These are your very first friends in simple English, warm and inviting. Words like hi, yes, no, thank you, and please are powerful starters. Example, hi, how are you? Or, yes, I like that. When you feel stuck, pause for a second and think, keep it short and clear. Practice this easily. Stand in front of a mirror each morning and say 3 basic greetings aloud, like good morning, I am fine. Over days, it becomes natural. Variations, use them with family, like please pass the water. Second, use short, simple sentences. Keep things easy and to the point without extras. Focus on subject, who or what, verb, action, and object, what it's about. Example, I eat an apple. Or, the dog runs. Make it daily, look around your room and describe one thing simply, like, this is a chair, it is big. This builds habit without overwhelm. Try varying for food, like, I drink water. Third, learn common everyday words first. These are your helpful tools for most talks. Focus on basics like home, food, friend, happy, go. Note them in your phone or a small notebook and aim to use 3 new ones each day in sentences. Example, I go home. Journal how it felt. Good practice reinforces.
Fourth, listen and copy simple sounds and phrases. A fun, no-pressure way to learn. Hear easy songs, short videos, or talks for beginners. Then repeat the easy parts you like. Story example, a kid copies their mom saying, I love you, and soon says it on their own. Simple copying works wonders. Practice. Pick 1 short video daily. Pause and echo 3 sentences. Fifth, find and connect to your personal why, the real reason that pushes you forward. Why do you want simple English? Dig deep. To talk with new friends? To help at work? To enjoy shows? Write it down fully, like to talk easily with my grandkids. Keep this why where you see it daily, like on your fridge. On tough days, it reminds and motivates. Example, a learner's why was travel. Now they ask directions simply abroad. Sixth, practice with pictures or objects around you. Make it visual and playful. Look at a photo or item and describe it in basic words. Example, this is a dog. It runs fast. Use your phone camera for daily snaps, then say 3 simple sentences about each. This ties words to real things, making them stick. Seventh, avoid big, hard words at first. Stick to simple ones you know well. Common trap, trying ecstatic when happy works fine. Keep it easy to build flow. Exercise, rewrite a fancy sentence simply, like the canine is ambulatory to the dog walks. Eighth, talk to yourself out loud, a safe, private start with no judgments. Narrate your day in basics. I wake up, I brush teeth. Do this while walking or cooking. It builds comfort speaking alone before others. 9th, join easy, beginner-friendly groups or apps. Share simple English with others at your level. Online chats or local meetups for starters. Example, say, "Hi, my name is," in a group. Set rules. Only simple words, no corrections unless asked. 10th, celebrate every small win. Keep the fun alive with rewards. After a good practice, treat yourself. I said 3 sentences. Time for tea. Track in a fun chart. Stars for each day. This makes learning joyful, not a task. Now, my friend, to make this all crystal clear and super reassuring, I'm not pushing for fast perfection or endless hours. Simple English is about gentle starts. Mistakes are okay. They're how we learn. This is about your intention and steady tries. In quiet times, ask yourself, is this simple and clear for me? Let me share one more heartwarming tale before we wrap this longer chat. There was a kind teacher who told her new students a parable. English is like a big ocean, scary at first, but simple words are like small boats, safe and steady. With each paddle, you go farther until the ocean feels like home. The students, encouraged, started with tiny waves and soon sailed freely. I know you can sail too, my friend. You're capable, patient, and ready for simple starts. It begins with one easy word, then a sentence, growing into your English world. Here's my expanded challenge to get you moving. Pick 5 ideas, like hellos, short sentences, your why, self-talk, and celebrating. Commit for a week, 7 fun days. Note daily what felt good, then share in comments. What was easy? Did you smile more? Your tale could help others. By listening here, you're already stepping into simple English. That's good, brave, and a win. Simple English is yours now, not far. These moments are your chance. Don't wait, try. You have the words, the heart, the start. Just choose. Choose simple over hard. Choose talk over quiet. Choose you. And if worry comes back, remember, every English speaker started simple with basics and tries. They grew through small steps, one word at a time. You can too. I believe in you fully. I've seen simple starts bloom big. So take a deep breath. Smile easy. Thank this moment, then say something simple. Make today yours. Thank you for this time. I'm proud. Keep it simple. See you next. Take care.